chow time. Piperade is a sauce that's been around forever, and it's from the Basque region of France. And the word piper means pepper, and there's several kinds of pepper in this. So I'm whipping up a batch of this before we go outside and grill up a couple of pork chops to smother this with. So I've got a large onion that I've sauteed until it's golden. I'm going to add 1 green bell pepper and 1 red bell pepper. Throw that in there. And then I have 2 chopped up jalapeno peppers. You can use any kind of hot pepper you like. I'm using jalapeno. So we want to saute this over a medium heat for about 10 minutes until it gets nice and tender. Oh yeah, these are nice and tender. Boy, it smells good. I can smell those jalapenos. So we're going to add a few more things. I've got a couple cloves of minced garlic that I want to stir in there. A couple seasonings, just a half a teaspoon of salt. I want to do a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And a half a teaspoon of sugar. Now the last thing you want to add is this small can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. And you just want to let it cook for about 5 minutes, just to get a little liquid out of those tomatoes. Alright. I'm just going to cook 2 pork chops tonight. These are thick cut tenderloin pork chops that I seasoned with salt and pepper. We're going to sear them on both sides, close the cover, let them cook a little bit so they're done all the way through. And then we can top them with this fabulous piperade. Last check on the pork. Oh yeah, these guys are done. Boy. Now I made enough piperade for about 6 pork chops. So I'm just going to taste this bite. All these peppers and seasonings. It's so flavorful. Here's the thing about piperade. You can put it on steak and chicken and fish and lamb chops and of course pork. You can put it on steamed cauliflower or broccoli, or you can spoon it over mashed potatoes. It just goes on everything. Well, maybe not ice cream.